Baihuari territory, Ecuador, dawn. The river moves like liquid glass. Something breaks the surface, barely a ripple, then it's gone. The water here isn't just murky. It's a maze where visibility ends 6 inches from your face, where jaguars drink and caimans hunt, and where something that weighs 440 pounds moves without making a sound. An anaconda has just detected movement. Body temperature matching the water exactly, no thermal signature. The snake is functionally invisible. It's been motionless for 3 hours, heart rate so slow it's barely measurable. Then it strikes, fast enough that cameras miss it. One moment there's a capybara drinking at the water's edge. The next, 20 feet of muscle has wrapped around it 3 times, applying 90 psi of pressure, equivalent to a 9,000-pound school bus sitting on your chest. The prey doesn't suffocate. The blood supply to its brain cuts off in seconds. Circulatory arrest, the largest snake by mass on Earth, an anaconda, and we just discovered it's 2 species, not 1. So here's the question: how big can anacondas actually get? People claim 60-foot monsters lurking in the Amazon. Explorers reported snakes longer than ships. For 92 years, scientists offered $50,000 for proof of a 30-foot snake. 0 successful claims. So, what's the real maximum size? And why do the myths keep growing? For most of human history, we thought anacondas were monsters. Explorer Percy Fawcett claimed he shot a 62-foot anaconda in Bolivia in 1907. Scientists called bullshit immediately. He admitted 17 feet was underwater, unmeasurable. He claimed 12 inches diameter, physically impossible, no specimen, no skin. Fawcett also reported 80-foot anacondas and 8 men. He disappeared in 1925, searching for a lost city. And for 92 years, the Wildlife Conservation Society offered $50,000 for anyone producing a live snake over 30 feet, over $1.5 million today. 0 claims, never collected. But here's what does exist, and it's stranger than any myth. February 2024, journal called Diversity. A paper that changed everything. What we've been calling the Green Anaconda is 2 species, Eunectes murinus, southern green anaconda, Amazon basin, Eunectes acaima, northern green anaconda, Orinoco basin, split 10 million years ago, genetically different by 5.5%, more than humans and chimpanzees. For 200 years, we were wrong. The name acaima comes from the Carib language, the Great Snake. The Waorani people of Ecuador are listed as co-authors on the scientific paper. They knew. During a National Geographic expedition, researchers encountered a female in Brazil's Formosa River. 6.3 meters, 20 feet, 7 inches, 200 kilograms, 440 pounds. They named her Ana Julia, the largest scientifically documented anaconda ever measured. 5 weeks later, she was found dead. Dr. Jesus Rivas has studied over 1,000 wild anacondas across 32 years. Largest verified, 5.21 meters, 17 feet, 1 inch, 97.5 kilograms. Females average 4.6 meters and 32 kilograms. Males average 3 meters and 7 kilograms. Females are 4.5 times heavier. And they keep growing, slowly. Anacondas never stop. But Rivas tracked one adult for 13 years. It grew 42 centimeters total, maximum size by age 10, then near stagnation. Wild lifespan, 10 years. Captive, 28 to 30 years. Record, 37 years. But the weight is what breaks biology. A 5.2-meter anaconda has comparable bulk to a 7.3-meter reticulated python. The python is longer. The anaconda is a barrel, built for semi-aquatic ambush. And that body? Engineered for the impossible. Anacondas collapse their lungs deliberately. Heart rate drops. Body temperature matches the water. No thermal signature. Functionally invisible. Then they wait. Hours, motionless. The strike happens faster than conscious thought. Constriction works through circulatory arrest. 3 coils. Each tightens with every exhale. Blood pressure to the brain drops within 4 seconds. Heart stops within 6. 90 psi sustained. Precise. The prey they take? Massive. Capybaras, deer, caimans, tapirs. A 7.9-meter female shot in Trinidad contained a 1.5-meter caiman. Prey up to 146% body weight. Over 8 hours to swallow. They don't unhinge their jaws. Myth. Snake mandibles aren't fused. Elastic ligaments, movable quadrate bone, pterygoid walk, ratcheting upper jaw bones over prey. No dislocation. just misunderstood anatomy. Despite this capability, there are 0 documented cases of anacondas eating humans. 0. Dr. Rivas. There are no documented records of this snake eating a human. One study identified 12 reported anaconda attacks between 1937 and 2013. Only 2 fatal. Fatality as predation? Unconfirmed? Capable? Yes. Interested? No. If you're into myths getting destroyed by data, you know what to do. The myths about size come from skins. Snake skins stretch. A 2022 study documented 35% increase before tearing. One anaconda skin stretched to 10 meters came from a 7.6-meter snake. 32% inflation. Skins routinely measure 15 to 30% longer, up to 40% stretch. A claimed 30-foot skin could be a 22-foot snake. Then forced perspective photography. 2019 viral video. 15-meter anaconda. Millions of views. Debunked. Horizontally stretched 3.2 times. Original, 12 to 15-foot snake. Measuring live snakes? Trying to measure a high-pressure garden hose that is cut loose. We've been wrong because animals won't hold still, skins stretch, cameras lie, eyes exaggerate. But there's a biological ceiling. We found it. Fossilized. Titanoboa syreginensis. Colombia's Serration coal mines. Nature 2009. 12.8 to 14.3 meters. 42 to 47 feet. Up to 2,500 pounds. Twice as long as the largest modern anaconda. 5 times heavier. Lived 58 million years ago when temperatures were 30 to 34 degrees Celsius. Today's hottest forests? Only 28 degrees. Could modern anacondas reach Titanoboa size? Theoretically, yes. Practically, no. Habitat disappearing. Warming over 200 years versus millions of years of evolution. The square cube law stops it. When length doubles, weight increases by 8. The cardiovascular system can't scale indefinitely. There's a maximum size. Anacondas are approaching it. Breeding balls. 2 to 13 males competing for 1 female. Up to a month. Females breed every other year. Gestation, 6 to 7 months. Live birth to 20 to 40 young. Litters up to 82. Neonates, 60 to 90 centimeters. 200 grams. A 500-fold increase to adult. No parental care. Most don't survive. Sometimes females eat the males after mating. Nutrition during gestation. The 2024 species split creates conservation urgency. The IUCN lists green anacondas as least concern, but that was before we knew there were 2 species. Amazon deforestation, 20 to 31% habitat loss, oil extraction, hydroelectric development, human persecution, and they reproduce slowly. Females mature at 9 years. Pregnancy, 15 months. A single calf every 5 to 7 years. You can't sustain that when rivers are dammed, forests burned, and people kill you on sight. The Waorani people don't see anacondas as monsters. They see them as river guardians. They have names for specific snakes. Stories passed down through generations. One elder described a female that lived in an oxbow lake for over 20 years, possibly over 6 meters. When she disappeared, the fish populations changed. The caimans moved in. She wasn't just an animal. She was architecture. Western science is catching up. These aren't solitary killing machines. They're social, territorial, tied to specific river systems across decades. Learned behavior, intelligence. And we've been calling them primitive for centuries. Here's what breaks you. 92 years, $50,000. Nobody produced a 30-foot snake. Fawcett's 62-foot claim was fantasy. Skin stretch 40%. Cameras lie. But what's real? 6.3 meters, 440 pounds. Circulatory arrest in 6 seconds. 90 psi. Prey 146% body weight. 0 human deaths. 2 species split 10 million years ago discovered in 2024. Females 4.5 times heavier than males. Litters of 82. Ecosystem engineers. And indigenous communities that knew all of this, lived with these animals, tracked individuals across decades. The myths made them monsters. The skins made them giants. The movies made them man-eaters. The science made them what they are. Apex predators with extreme sexual dimorphism. Semi-aquatic ambush specialists with cardiovascular adaptations. Ovoviviparous constrictors using circulatory collapse. Territorial, long-lived individuals with site fidelity. Ecosystem keystones and survivors. Barely. Not from natural limits. From us. The 20-foot reality doesn't need exaggeration. 90 psi in water you can't see through. Body temperature matching environment. Heart rate undetectable. Waiting. Motionless. Hours. Then striking faster than you can process. This is why anacondas are unlike any other snake. Pythons are longer. Cobras more venomous. Vipers more medically significant. But anacondas are heavier, aquatic apex predators in the most biodiverse rivers. Two species that diverged before humans existed. With ecological roles, we're only beginning to understand. They are hunters, engineers, mothers, survivors, keystones, and the living memory of rivers we're destroying. Ana Julia measured 6.3 meters, named by the people who found her, documented by science. Dead 5 weeks later. We don't know how she died. We don't know if there are larger ones in waters we've never reached. We don't know how many we've lost we'll never measure. But we know this: the myths were wrong, the measurements were inflated, the skins were stretched, and the reality, more remarkable than any legend. Subscribe for more creatures that don't need exaggeration to be extraordinary.